is, guys, Samsung's latest flagship smartphones are here, and leading the pack is the Galaxy S22 Ultra, sporting a large 6.8-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 chipset, an S Pen, and a 5000 mAh battery. Sounds interesting? Hi guys, RL here, Fugitech, and join us as we go hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra, as the name suggests, is the successor of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra unveiled last year. And one of the changes you'll notice is in the design. Compared to its predecessor or the new S22 and the S22 Plus, with their more youthful look, the S22 Ultra looks more refined or professional. Even the choice of colors seems to be aimed at people with refined tastes. Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and Burgundy. It's more boxy, the edges are less curved, with the top and bottom parts of the frame are flat. Like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, we won't be surprised if it can stand on its own. Looking at it from the front, the device, again, quickly reminded us of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We're looking at a large 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with Quad HD Plus resolution and sides that curves towards the edges. The fingerprint scanner is embedded here under the screen. The bezels are really thin, and probably the thickest part is the chin, and that is even thinner than the bezels in most smartphones. It's so immersive that it makes you want to watch a high-res movie on it or scribble notes. We'll get into that later. Placed above the screen in the hole punch is the 40-megapixel Dual Pixel selfie camera. Above it, in the bezel, is the earpiece and the secondary loudspeaker. Going around the device, we have the power lock and volume buttons on the right side, and given the tall frame, we're glad that Samsung moves the buttons downwards near the middle, although it can still be quite a reach, especially if you have small hands. Hi AJ! At the top, there's the secondary microphone, then down below we have the nano SIM card tray, microphone, USB-C port, loudspeaker, and the S Pen slot with an S Pen. Yes, the Galaxy Note. The Galaxy S22 Ultra now has a built-in slot for the S Pen, a thing that the Galaxy S21 Ultra doesn't have. At the back, you can see a more streamlined design. There's no more protruding camera module, and now looks like the cameras are just embedded in the back panel, although it still does protrude a little bit. It looks more cleaner and gives a more uniform look. Speaking of the cameras, we are looking at a 108-megapixel main, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto capable of 3x optical zoom, and another 10-megapixel telephoto capable of 10x optical zoom and 100x base zoom. Let's talk about build quality. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is as premium as ever and uses a combination of glass and metal. We're talking about Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and what Samsung calls an improved armor aluminum frame. It's tough on dust and water too, thanks to its IP68 rated body. It is relatively thin at 8.9mm, but quite hefty at 227 grams, and a bit wide at 77.9mm. Holding it feels like holding a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It will definitely require you to use two hands to operate it comfortably. Expect it to feel larger once you slap a case on it. Now powering the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 chipset. Up to 12 gigs of RAM, up to 512 gigs of storage, 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, and OneUI 4 based on Android 12. Now for connectivity, there's 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC. There's a lot more to talk about with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but we'll save the discussion in our full review, so watch out for that. In the meantime, if you have questions about it that you want us to answer in our full review, let us know in the comment section below, and that's it for our hands-on. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit Fugitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.